Hello, good evening, students. Let us see one problem based on the thermodynamics. What the question is: when a certain amount of ethylene was burned, okay, so that is ethylene was burned, that is C2H4. It is getting burned, student, in the presence of what? Oxygen 3O2. So what does it give, student? It will give 2CO2 plus 2H2O. This I wrote a balance equation, student, as I know the balance equation. Next they are saying 622 kilojoule of heat evolve. Okay. Now, if heat of combustion of ethylene is 1411 kilojoule, 1411 kilojoule. This is the little wrong question, student. 6226, it is 6226 here is there. So that is was evolved, and the heat of combustion of ethylene they have given. Delta HC they have given how much? 1411 kilojoule. The volume of O2 that entered in the reaction is, okay. So at STP we have to understand that is how much volume of the reaction is being used. So in this reaction, student, what we can do, that is, let us try to understand that is what is given and what we need to understand. So for this is given enthalpy of combustion of 1 mole of ethylene. Okay, so here we can write, no, so 1 mole of ethylene will give 1 mole of C2H4 will give how much? Will give, student? It will give, that is 1411 kilojoule, right? This will kilojoule per mole, kilojoule per mole, right? Now total moles you calculate, student. Total moles of ethylene, total moles of ethylene, okay. Because total moles of ethylene, why we are calculating? Because total energy is given, student. So that is how much? Total energy, okay, total energy divided by energy of 1 mole, divided by energy of 1 mole, divided by energy of 1 mole. So total energy is how much is there, student? 6226, and energy of 1 mole is how much there, student? 1411. Okay, if you solve it out, student, it is giving the value of 4.412 mole, 4.412 mole. This much they have given. So this much of energy is released by, that is ethylene, okay. So total mole, if you talk about, okay, see, in the balance equation, 1 mole of ethylene give react with the 3 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of ethylene react with the 3 mole of oxygen, okay. And then it is giving how much liter? Okay, so here I am writing 1 mole ethylene, 1 mole C2H4, okay, gives how much? It will give 3 moles oxygen, 3 moles of O2. That is how much? 3, 3 moles of O2. That is at STP 3 into 22.4 liter equal to how much liter? 67.2 liter. So 1 mole it is giving 67.2 liter. Therefore total moles how much is there, ethylene? So 4.4 more, therefore 4.412 moles ethylene, okay, moles ethylene will give how much? That is 67.2 multiplied by 4.412 equal to how much? It will give, student? 296.49 liter, okay, of oxygen. This will be the our 296.49 liter of oxygen. This is our required answer. Let us see the option, student. 296.5 liter. Correct option is option number 1. Okay, here solution is also there, student. You can see delta H combustion they have given 1411 kilojoule for 1 mole of ethylene. So amount of ethylene, how many moles are there, student? This is given mass upon total ethylene upon this much. So volume of O2, how much? 3 into this into 22.4 liter. It is coming 29.62 liter. Okay. Something is wrong in this question, student. Okay. Here the value is wrongly, student. This could not be our answer because 26226 is there. So this answer, this will come, the correct option will come 296.49 liter. Okay. So here is also the correct option is 296.49 liter. Thank you so much for watching, students.